So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, do it if you are new and don't yet subscribe. Make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So let's see what GBP JPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. So let's start with the trend right here. So first thing first, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see right here on our GBP JPY, we are in a ranging market move, right? This is the movement. This is our current trend. Although the overall trend on GBP JPY is an uptrend move, that is the overall movement. The overall movement and the overall trend is an uptrend move. But when you zoom it in and see what market is doing currently, you will see that we are very much ranging. This is our current trend, which is a ranging market move. Now, guys, take a look at this moment. Market rallied up to tap this resistance, then it ejected from the resistance and jumped to tap our support, right? Then it came back to tap our resistance, rejected and jumped to tap our support. Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. The market rejected from the resistance and dropped, thereby giving us a false breakout. It broke out on this support zone. Market eventually reacted, rejected and came back to tap our resistance. Then it dropped to tap our support level. Right, so market has now given us a false breakout right here. This is the false breakout. Now market is now dropping, so we would expect market to continue that drop. It is able to hit our support level. So now this is the thing, that our movement for the day will be a bearish move on our GBP JPY. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet in the sell, once the London section opens, look for a sell setup and go in for the sell. Remember, only go in for the sell once you see the sell setup. If you do not find the sell setup, it will be best to start on this chain. If markets will change its movements, right, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.